In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook very easily. To change your name on your Facebook account, first open the Facebook app on your mobile phone. Once Facebook is open, you will see the 3 lines in the top left corner. Tap on the 3 lines. After tapping on the 3 lines, this page will appear. Here, you will see Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy. After tapping on Settings and Privacy, you will see the Settings option below it. Tap on Settings. After tapping on Settings, this page will appear. Here you will see the Meta Accounts Center option. Tap on Meta Accounts Center. After tapping on Meta Accounts Center, this page will appear. At the top, you will see Profiles and Personal Details. Tap on Profiles and Personal Details. After tapping on Profiles and Personal Details, this page will appear. Under Profiles, you will see the Facebook account you are currently logged into. Tap on your account. Here, you will see different options, such as name, username, profile picture, and avatar. Since we want to change our name, tap on Name at the top. After that, this page will appear. Here you can change your first name, middle name, or last name. My current name is Syed Rafiq Ali Shah. So, I am removing the current name. So I'm going to change it to Syed Rafiq Ali. After changing your name, you can see a note here saying that once you change your Facebook name, you can only change it again after 60 days. After changing your name, tap on Review Change. Now, Facebook gives me 3 options. I can either keep the name as Syed Rafiq Ali, or change the order to Syed Ali and Ali Rafiq Syed. Normally the first name comes first, so I'll keep it as it is. After that, tap on Save Changes. Now, I've received a message saying that my name has been successfully changed. As you can see, my name has been changed successfully. Previously, it was Syed Rafiq Ali Shah, and now it has been changed to Syed Rafiq Ali. This was the very easy way to change your name on a Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more helpful tech content. Thank you for watching.